Kumars, gawa tayong lumpiang sariwa. So, may tokwa. Yung aking vegetables, carrot, bamboo shoot, chestnut, celery, sibuyas, at garlic. Okay, dito ko naprito ng tokwa. So, dito lang natin ang bahagya. Tapos yung ating gulay. Timplahan natin ng asin at paminta. Add natin yung ating tokwa. Yan, tapos na yan. Okay, gawa tayo ng pambalot ng lumpia. So, ito yung 2 eggs, 1/2 cup milk, 1/2 cup water, 2 tablespoons and 1/2 oil, salt, and then 1/4 cup cornstarch, 3/4 cup flour, then mix natin. Okay guys, 1 scoop. Okay, mag-assemble tayo guys. So, ito na yon. Yun. Medyo maliit yung wrapper natin kasi yung kawali natin ay hindi nagkaigi. Yan. Okay, ito na guys. Gawa tayo ng peanut sauce. Okay, kumars. I have water, soy sauce, garlic, paminta, seasoning if you want, then peanut butter. Gamitin natin ng peanut butter. Okay, yan na. Okay na. Okay na, kumars. Okay, kumars. Ito ang ating sauce, peanut sauce.